want to start out by sort of separating the terms AI, machine learning, and deep learning. The three really get used interchangeably, and while they are related, they are distinct concepts. So with AI, artificial intelligence, generally we're talking about computer systems that are accomplishing tasks that are normally reserved for human intelligence. So that could be visual perception, speech recognition, and decision making. Some of the examples, as I mentioned before, the Terminator, C-3PO, those are the types of things we see in science fiction. In everyday life, we're seeing things like facial recognition, driverless cars, speech recognition. So the majority of you probably have an iPhone sitting next to you or in your hands right now, texting and surfing the web as I present the workshop. And you're using examples right there of facial recognition, speech recognition, and even, as we'll see later on, some of the other types of AI that are used in the marketing and advertising you see through the phone as well.